Yeah.
Governs the conduct of nations.
True life.
When we are
1 to 1.
and
This is
we will be,
majestic.
we have
Listen
a real
up.
chance at this new world order. An order in which a credible United Nations can use its peacekeeping role to fulfill the promise and vision of the UN's founders.
True life 1 to 1, we will never stand down, back down, not us, not in A-Town. We keep our word and stay to the truth. So stepping our line, well then you're just screwed. Cause then we're gonna catch you cause we are called thugs. Sitting in the back, yeah, we're always gone, getting faded off things that you never thought was made. But then we turn around and yeah, we know you're fake. See, if I had a choice between a blade or a gun, I'd probably pick neither cause I've already won. Throwing your body around like it was just trash while I'm checking your wallet and your pockets for some cash. So here and our shit is probably a new catch. And see, you my bitch, I throw and you fetch. And I bet you probably ain't shit. The things that I hate about the rap game is patience. When we could be taking action and getting famous, I'm just a man then. I've seen so many cops that I'm going colorblind, red and blue all over just right behind. And I always got the talent no matter what I do. You could tell me all these things but it ain't no spoof.